everybody. So today I thought it would be kind of fun to share something that I actually got today. So I freaking live in Marshalls, and today when I went, I was like, let me go check out the makeup section, and I found the Prism palette. The Prism palette. I know this has been around for a little bit. I did get it for $29.99. I guess since, you know, Memorial Day weekend kind of sales have been going on Sephora, this is, I believe, $31.50. But it was $29.99 at Marshalls, and I was just like, I've been looking at this palette for a while. I can't remember if people like it or not. Like, you know how there's just some palettes that you just genuinely just want? Like, you're kind of like, you don't need it, but like, it wouldn't hurt to have it, you know? So that's kind of how I'm feeling about this, but I did want to unbox it with you guys because I thought this was really cool. This is the packaging. It's a soft touch velvet kind of material, which I thought was kind of cool. They have these giant sensors around them, which I understand. So it kind of cut into the box. I tried to get like the prettiest one. Then this is the actual palette, and it's like a black velvet, very much like the Modern Renaissance palette. Oh, there goes the sheet. I don't know. I dropped this. Hopefully my camera is like adjusting enough, but this is basically what they're kind of looking like. I really, really like these shades. I really love this gold right here. I love this pink. This color screaming to me, and this one. I'm loving this one. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. But I just think it's a really cool palette, you know? So I don't really know what I'm gonna do yet, but we're gonna figure it out together, okay? But I'm gonna take this makeup off first because that would kind of be a little weird to keep it on. So I'll be right back. Okay, so let's not judge how I did this because I know I'm looking a little ghostly, but it's okay. Okay, it's okay. That's the most satisfying thing. Watch. Or is it just me? I've kind of taken the liberty to swatch all these real quick. Go in with that beautiful Eden shade right here. Sorry, I'm making sure like you can see it. I'm gonna take a blender brush. Well, should I? I'm gonna take kind of like a flat, fluffy brush like this. Ooh! Oh, shoot. This color is beautiful though by itself. Ooh, a lot of fallout, but I think that's because it's pigmented. I'm gonna blend that out. I'm actually going back in and I'm adding a little bit more, and I'm gonna try to blend it out just some more. I'm actually gonna go in with the more denser blender brush and focus this up a little higher. What I want to do is take Unity on the same brush and softly blend out the edges. A little bit of Eden, blend that back in. So what I'm gonna do is go in with the shade Saturn, and I'm gonna take the tip of this and I'm gonna put it right where I kind of placed Eden, but a little bit lower, just so we have a little more depth to it. And then I'm kind of just blending it out. So then I'm just going to take the other part and I'm just going to blend it some more. And then I'm going to go in actually with a little bit more of Saturn, but on that blender side, and blend that into the crease. So I'm blending Eden and Saturn together on a brush. I'm going to go in with just a little bit more of Saturn. So I love the two together, but I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Parallel, and whew, okay, that might be too much. And I'm going to just kind of keep it as close to where basically I'm gonna cut my crease because I want it to be a little more defined. So I'm gonna make it a little darker, because what happens is when the dark shade and then the concealer being cut is going to make a better contrast, which makes it look less muddy and more crisp. It's been probably a few months since I've done a cut crease, but I have been doing halos lately, if you've noticed, so I'm hoping that this is kind of like not gonna be too hard. So I think I'm going to go in with a little bit of Saturn on top of that. I'm just going to go in with a random eyeshadow real quick. And I'm just going to put that on the outside of my eye. Just to help kind of make everything look a little softer. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Super Stay foundation in Porcelain. And we're going to try to cut the crease. No pressure. Okay, we did it, we did it. I'm not gonna lie, the whole time I was sitting there doing this cut crease, I was like, I better not screw this up. Because if I do, I was like, this is not gonna be uploaded. What I'm gonna do is just go in barely with parallel. And I'm gonna like deepen up this part right here because I like how right here it looks really like defined. But I want it more over here. Oh, by the way, all these little brushes I'm using right now are literally paint brushes. So I'm just going to go in with this NYX pencil in the shade Milk and put this all over my eyelid where like we cut the crease. Not all over, but just where we cut the crease. Because I want the base to be really bright for the colors I'm about to put on. I think with my finger, and I'm just going to go in with Sphere, which is this color right here, and pack it on. Gosh, wow. Okay, so I'm using a sponge tip applicator, and holy mackerel, look at that. I'm getting way better payoff on that. So this little sponge tip is the way to go with this eyeshadow. By the way, I really wanted to say thank you so much for like all the love my last video got. Like, it seriously has been making me so happy. Like, I love it whenever people comment and say like they like a look, or just comment in general. Like, I love when people comment on my videos. It makes me so happy, like so freaking happy. 20 views is a lot for me, okay? That's a lot. I usually get only 3 or 4 views, and the fact that, you know, you guys really took the time to watch my video and, you know, let me know what you thought about it. Like, it just makes my day. It just makes me so happy, and I just appreciate it so much. And I just wanted to let you guys know, like, I really, really do appreciate it when you guys watch my videos, because, you know, I'm just doing this for fun. And the fact that, you know, you guys kind of enjoy watching me, like, really makes my day. Like, you know. So sappy time is over, but yeah, thank you guys so much for the love you've been giving me lately. Like, I just really, really appreciate it. And I felt like I would be a bad person if I didn't, you know, let you guys know that, like, you guys seriously make my day. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I'm so scared I'm gonna jinx myself, you know, because it's like, I'm scared some people are not gonna like my next video. I'm gonna go in with this shade Lucid right here. On the inner part of my eye. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with a tiny bit of Pyramid, which is that gold shimmery. And I'm going to put it in between the green and Lucid. I'm going to go in with this little brush. And I'm going to go in with Saturn. Let's go in with Saturn. So let me just recap, okay? So I didn't really like what I did right here, so I just kind of like scratched it out, like just kind of got rid of it. And I put some Saturn right here, and then just a little bit of Eden and Unity. I'm going back in with some Eden. I think just a little bit of Parallel, just the tiniest bit. Alright, I'll be back and I'm going to do my other eye. Okay, so I just went ahead and did the other eye, and now I'm going to take some black liner and I'm going to tight line my eye. Ooh, this is the wrong pencil to use. It is making my eyes water. And I think for fun, I'm going to go in with this glitter. BITSY Nail and Body Glitter, and it's in the shade Stardust White. And I'm going to put that right here. And I'm using NYX Glitter Glue. Yes, okay. I kind of like it because it's... Alright, so here is the look with the lashes on. And I did use these Faux Mink lashes by Ardell in this style 811. And this is kind of what I came up with. So I don't know if you can really tell the glitter. Let me zoom in a little more. So here's the glitter on it. I think you can see it. I'm not really sure. But yeah, so this is the look that I came up with. So I hope you guys enjoyed it because this was really fun. But yeah, so this is the final look using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. I hope you enjoyed this look. Honestly, I kind of really like it. I'm not really sure if I even did it correctly as a cut crease, but I had a lot of fun doing this. If you guys don't have this, like if you find it at Marshall's, I would get it. I really like it, to be honest. Like that green was really hard to build up, but other than that though, I really did love those pink shades. I love Lucid. Pyramid was pretty. I can't wait to play with the other colors, but I thought this was a really fun look to do. I know it's a little wild and it's maybe not wearable to some people, but I actually really enjoy this look. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on your way out if you haven't. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.